Let us consider one more interesting example. It was there in one of the JEE. 3 options are given, and among these, which one is more basic? Here, lone pair of electrons is present on nitrogen in all the 3. Lone pair of electrons is present on nitrogen in this pyridine. Lone pair of electrons present on aniline. In all the 3 cases, lone pair of electrons is present. Basicity is because of, we can consider a simple example. If suppose that a primary amine is considered, a lone pair of electrons of nitrogen, if it can be shared to form a coordinate covalent bond, for the sake of simplicity, let us consider a free H plus ion from acid. If it can be shared, like what we have considered, NH3 react with H plus, NH4 plus ion, the lone pair and the empty orbital, it can be shared, giving rise to a sharing coordinate covalent bond, positive charge. So, according to Lewis theory, lone pair donors are Lewis bases, and according to Bronsted-Lowry theory, proton acceptors are bases. By both way, by using both definitions, these are bases. Which among these 4 options is correct means we should be knowing which is most basic, which is least basic. For that, we should consider this aromatic nature. Compound is aromatic. When it is aromatic, it should be cyclic, ring of carbon atoms, 1 or more heteroatoms can also be there. Pyridine, for example, it should be planar in the ring. If all are sp2, planar, conjugation, double single, double bond, single bond, double bond, or pi sigma pi, lone pair sigma pi, that we know. Conjugation, is it not? Here it is conjugation pi sigma pi bond sigma bond pi. Here there is a conjugation lone pair sigma bond pi bond sigma bond pi sigma pi. Here let us see. So, there should be conjugation, cyclic, planar, and in the ring n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, any number. If you fill 1, it becomes 6. If you fill 0, it becomes 2. N equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Pi electrons means the electrons which take part in conjugation, which take part in various resonating forms, which are in conjugation and which take part in various resonating forms. That number 4n plus 2 equal to pi electrons. So, if these points are fulfilled, then that compound comes under what we call as aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds have a special stability. They do not undergo addition reactions very easily, but electrophilic substitution reactions are easy. So, the aromatic, what is aromatic and which does not fit into this is not aromatic. Anti-aromatic is again a different thing that we can consider later on. You should be knowing what is aromatic and what is not. Okay. So, that way, because which one is most basic and which one is least means which among the following, and order is actually not asked here, but at least we should know that among the following which one has least or highest tendency of relieving, making available the lone pair on nitrogen. Here it is cyclic, it is in conjugation pi sigma pi lone pair sigma pi, sp2 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 all are sp2, only one is sp3. So, in a plane, and now various resonating forms, I will not write all now, we have covered that. This lone pair, it can be shared here, and this pi can get shifted here, and that gets transmitted in this fashion. Lone pair becomes a shared pair, developing positive charge, and the pi shared pair becomes a lone pair. Overall, it is neutral. This lone pair now it becomes shared pair, the pi comes back here, and so what we get is this. So, this one is present in these three many resonating forms. So, lone pair is, since lone pair is part of the conjugation, lone pair is part of various resonating forms. So, the lone pair should be used, this electron pair, these 2 pi, these two 4 and the lone pair 6, n equal to 1 gives 6 pi electrons. So, the lone pair, the 2 electrons should be considered in that formula. What about this pyridine? In pyridine actually, there is a lone pair on nitrogen, it is available, it is base. Here it is not that it is not available, it is less available, because lone pair is part of conjugation, and because of various resonating forms, it is part of the aromatic structure skeleton, not easily available. In case of pyridine, since in the ring pi sigma pi, pi sigma pi, pi sigma pi, there is a conjugation in the ring, and since nitrogen has formed one double bond on one side, this nitrogen is sp2 hybridized. So, if it is sp2 hybridized, this double bond is formed by pp parallel overlapping. Therefore, it means that this bond is formed by sp2 hybrid orbital of nitrogen, this by sp2 hybrid orbital of nitrogen, and therefore, lone pair will be accommodated in the third sp2, and that third sp2 will be outside the ring, and therefore, here can be conjugation, this pi can get shared here, this can get shared here, and then this can shared here. There are two resonating forms, but the lone pair which is present on nitrogen in pyridine is outside the ring in the sp2 hybrid orbital. It cannot be part of various resonating forms, and therefore, although this is aromatic compound, the ring is aromatic, it is stable, but the lone pair on nitrogen is not part of various resonating forms, and therefore, as compared to this lone pair is easily available for H plus ions or any other which can accommodate, hold, attract the lone pair. So, this one is more basic than this one. What about this? The lone pair is out, NH2 is outside the ring. If you consider the aromatic ring, it is in conjugation pi sigma pi, pi sigma pi. Ring itself is aromatic, and NH2 group, one lone pair is present on nitrogen, is outside the ring. We have studied various resonating forms of aniline. This is aniline. Lone pair sigma pi, pi sigma pi. So, lone pair is in conjugation with various pi bonds in the aromatic ring, and therefore, lone pair can become a shared pair, and this shared pair becomes a lone pair, giving rise to resonance. Positive charge is developed, and therefore, this pi will get shifted to this carbon atom. And now this lone pair will get shared here, this shared pair will become a lone pair, giving rise to these resonating forms we have already considered during our theoretical study of resonance. Again, this will get shared here, it comes here, and then last one I will not now write it completely. The point which I want to make is that the lone pair on nitrogen in aniline is part of various resonating forms. So, lone pair is not easily available, it enters in the aromatic ring. The direction of the electron pair is in the ring, and so the availability of lone pair with H plus is there, but it is less, and as compared to this it is still less, and therefore, if you compare 2 and 3, the lone pair on nitrogen in pyridine is more easily available than this is basic, here it is available, but this lone pair is part of various resonating forms. This is aromatic compound, means it gets double bond character, and therefore, this lone pair is not easily available. This one is easily available. Even this is not easily available. This is part of the conjugation. Direct aromatic ring. This is attached to aromatic ring, but the lone pair is part of various conjugative forms. And if you compare all these, and if you see the alternatives, this alternative, this one is more basic than this, is correct among whatever is given. If the order were asked, this one is most, that should be most basic, that should be fixed in the mind first. And if it were asked among the two, then that can be explained by considering the factors. The major factor is this lone pair is direct part of the resonance, and this lone pair is part of the conjugation. So, relatively this is more easily available. The lone pair on nitrogen, which is outside the aromatic ring, is more easily available. So, if order were asked, then the order would have been 2 most basic, then 3, and lastly 1. Basicity order, tendency of the lone pair of electrons on nitrogen to accept H plus ion from acid. Very interesting question.